Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect of financial wellness, developing a paycheck routine. If you're over 50 and looking to establish a reliable system for managing your income, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what a paycheck routine is. It's a structured approach to managing your finances every time you receive a paycheck. This routine helps ensure that your income is allocated effectively, covering your expenses, savings, and investments. Now let's dive into the steps for creating your paycheck routine. 1. Set a paycheck date. Identify when you receive your paycheck and mark it on your calendar. This will be your cue to start your routine. 2. Create a budget. Before your paycheck arrives, outline your monthly expenses. Include essentials like housing, food, and transportation, as well as savings and discretionary spending. 3. Pay yourself first. As soon as you receive your paycheck, transfer a predetermined amount into your savings or investment account. This paying yourself ensures that you're prioritizing your future. 4. Allocate funds for bills. After saving, set aside money for your bills. Consider automating this process to avoid late fees and ensure timely payments. 5. Review and adjust. At the end of each month, review your spending against your budget. Adjust as necessary for the upcoming month. This reflection will help you improve your routine over time. 6. Track progress. Keep track of your savings and investments. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. To make your paycheck routine successful, try these tips. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify tracking. Set up reminders for your paycheck dates and financial reviews. Stay disciplined but flexible. Life happens, so adjust as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. We're here to provide you with more valuable content to help you enjoy a fulfilling and secure retirement. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.